Hi, the Astro 30 here, and today on the lab I've got a very simple, quick circuit for you. I say that now, and you know me, it usually turns into something longer than quick. Anyway, this is a basic touch switch. There's two little probes here that you touch your fingers across, and a transistor and an LED and a dropper resistor. That's it. So as soon as I touch these two leads, the light comes on. Isn't that fascinating? How does it work? Well, here's the circuit here. Got the set of contacts going between the collector and the base. The 1K resistor goes to the positive voltage source, in this case it's 9 volt. Goes through the LED back to the collector. Emitter goes to the negative portion of the circuit, or ground. All we're doing here is across these contacts, all we're doing with our finger is providing a relatively high resistance. I'm not sure what the exact resistance of skin is, but that allows current, very small microamps even, of current to flow into the collector, the base rather, to turn that transistor on. And as most generic silicon transistors require 0.6 of a volt to turn on, well, we can do the maths, but we need to know roughly what is the resistance of human skin. Alright, so I've got my multimeter set to resistance scale. I'm going to touch it across these probes across my fingertip here. We're talking in the megaohms here, like 5 to 6 megaohms, depending. And if I was to lick my finger and then touch the meter to it, the resistance should be a lot lower. Indeed, we're more like the 500k, 600k range, somewhere there. So the resistance of skin is pretty high. So you could do the math on what resistance you'd need to make that switch or this circuit stay on all the time. Be like 1, maybe 2 megaohm. There's plenty. If I wet my fingers, the LED actually glows a bit brighter. And that's it. A simple touch switch. I told you it was simple, and I told you it was easy. What would you actually use this circuit for nowadays? Not much, but it is kind of a fun little circuit that used to be presented in books such as Talking Electronics. It's not that difficult. It's really more of a experiment and learning tool rather than it is a useful device. But anyway, that's going to conclude this video for today. Hope you enjoyed it. I'm the Astro 30. If you did, please remember to rate, comment and subscribe below, and you can always become a Patreon member for as little as $1 a month, and you can follow me on Facebook. Anyway, this is the Astro 30 saying, see ya. Have a great day.